This can be hiding your glory. You may not know. I'm going to tell you how to restore your glory. So many have lost their glory. They don't know how to recover it. Some persons think that if they just pray, everything will be restored. Have you checked some things about you? Are you pleasing God in your ways? You should check out some things. You can't just claim that you are always prayerful without being spiritual. The world is more spiritual than you can think of. You have to know it now. Hello everyone, you're welcome back. So in case you're joining for the first time, my name is Pamela. I share spiritual messages and tips on this channel. I don't do spiritual work. I don't give out WhatsApp number or do anything like outside here. So beware of scammers. Anybody claiming to be me, they are scammers, okay? May God bless you. In case you have been having these signs, okay, this is a sign to show you that your glory is hidden. Recurrent disappointments. Are you experiencing disappointments? You want something and somebody will disappoint you, mostly in place of work, in your career, in marriages, in your relationships. So you can experience disappointment even in your marriage. You are a single, you can experience disappointment. Somebody will promise you to pay your school fees. You'll be expecting, like, the promise will be so clear, but before you know it, when it's time for you to get that favor, disappointment will set in. You have to continue watching this video. In fact, you have to watch this video to the end, because I will tell you what to do, the solution to take care of this stagnation in life. Are you experiencing setback, or you are just remaining in one spot? No matter your hard work, you remain in one spot. This is what we call stagnation, stagnancy. So many people, some hindrances here and there have made them to remain in one spot. It's as if nothing is working. They are applying pressure, but they end up remaining in one place. They are not moving forward. Like where you are living right now is not really good. You are working so hard to ensure you move forward, rent a better apartment, but nothing is moving. You just remain there year to year. We have come to the end of the year, and so many people, they have discovered that from January, nothing is moving, no matter what they do. Are you experiencing unnoticed? Despite your hard work, you have a business. It's as if nobody is noticing your business. Nobody is noticing what you are having to sell. Nobody cares to know what you have, like not only in your business, like in generally in your life. Nobody notices you. Are you beautiful? Are you hardworking? Nobody cares to know if this man is hardworking, if this man have something to offer, if this lady is hardworking, if this lady have a good character. Like nobody notices you. At the end of the day, they will choose those people that you are better than. This is what we call spiritual problem. In case you are having these signs, this is what it means, okay? So just ask yourself, check around you, okay? I want to go a little out of spiritual. Are you having some negative companies? Like some people that you meet are so giving negative energies. Sometimes we make some friends which may be hiding our glory without you knowing. Are you a young girl or a young guy and you think that exposing your body will make you get a better life, or exposing your body will make you get the right tutor, make you get the right job? You may be mistaken. All these things can make you remain in one place. People will just use you for, temporary, to not be long lasting. So all these things, keeping bad companies, can make one to remain in one spot. Some environment also can make one to remain in one spot. So it can hide your prayers. It can make your prayers not to be answered. If you are praying hard, every time you are praying and praying, but nothing is working, it's as if your prayers are not being answered. Check around you. How is that environment? Some environments are so filled with darkness that anything you try, nothing is going, nothing is working. There are some people that they have inner instructions. Something in them will be telling them the right thing to do. They will ignore it. They want to choose another path, a faster path, thinking that that one is going to give them a better offer. But at the end of the day, they will see that they have returned back to square one. God is speaking to you through your spirit. Something inside will be telling you, don't do it, don't do it. This time you need to pray to God. Like, pray and God will reveal it more to you. If this comes back again, you start having this feeling, know that it's from God, and you have to follow that direction. it will help you. Neglecting spiritual cleansing. I always talk about this. When there are so much negative energies surrounding you, build up negative energies. It will naturally suppress that positive energies that you have. So how to do this is time to time do spiritual cleansing. I have some cleansing videos on this channel. You can check it out, Palmer's TV cleansing, and all videos concerning cleansing will come out. I've always talked about this, and cleansing is always very important so that things will move well for you. And lastly, unforgiveness. Have you been bearing grudges? Your mind is always filled with anger anytime you see this particular person, or anytime you remember this particular thing. Remove these feelings. I know it's good to forgive, but sometimes we may not forget. Sometimes we try to remember those past, and automatically it can make us to be very angry. Like, these things can kill your spirit, can stop those messages that you always get from God. You see some people, they are always filled with anger. Anytime they remember something, they will be so angry. Everybody around them, they will hate automatically because they remember the past. And every time they will still be praying and praying, the prayers will not be working. You see some people that have been there in that church long time, many years ago, and some people will come new and they will receive their deliverance, they will receive their blessings, like things will be working for them. It's just individual. That is why it's spiritual. That you started spiritual work long time ago and somebody started today. The person that started now, they started receiving their testimonies, things are working for them, and you remain in one place. Please test yourself. There are some things that may be hiding your glory, suppressing your glory, that may make you not to receive your own blessing without you knowing. So remove bitterness, anger, unforgiveness. Try to forgive. Even if you remember once in a while, do not bear grudges to heart. Before you seek anything from God, tell God to have mercy upon you, to make you forgive, to forget. And that is what you have to always pray for. So solution. Do you know bitter Kola? Okay, the bitter Kola I have right now is dry because of the weather. The weather is somehow dry, dry and so hot. This is the one I have. We have different kinds, but they are all the same. This is very tiny, looking somehow dark. So bitter Kola is very spiritual. You can use it for cleansing, to get rid of these negative feelings, negative energies that are suppressing your glory, making your glory not to shine through. Bitter Kola is for clarity. It does so many things, but this particular one, I will just tell you one of the benefits. Cleansing everything, making your mind to be focused for you to progress. Also breaks blockage, anything hindrances, blockage, making you unnoticed, making people not to value you, not to love you. It can help greatly if you believe in God, if you have the faith that it will help you. That is when it can help you. So get bitter Kola, any quantity. I have 4 right here, so you can use 1, you can use 2, depending on the quantity you want to make. So you have to wash it, like remove the peel first. Look at, I just removed the peel of this one. You can see the inner is white and the outer part is black. So you have to remove the peel. If you remove the peel, then you have to wash it. Cut it into smaller bits, transfer it into your blender, add water and blend it. It's the water that you need. Strain it out, and the water is very spiritual. Pray with this water. Is the prayer that you prayed in it and your faith that will make it to work. If not, you can use bitter Kola water in different ways, for health benefits, for beauty benefits. But when it comes to spiritual, you have to include spiritual practice like prayer, faith, inviting the power of God that will make it turn spiritual. So when you are done with that, then use it to cleanse yourself. You can add into your bath water to bathe. As you are bathing, be praying that God should cleanse away anything negativity, anything bringing hindrance, anything bringing blockage to your life, and so shall it be. Do this anytime, morning or night before you go to bed, or early morning before you go out, and God will help you and deliver you from any problems. May God bless you. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share and like this video. I will see you next time.